Students, here we are with the questions of polynomials. The name of the chapter is polynomial, and we are having the questions which are based on the polynomials. Which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? Give reason for your answers. Now see here, we will go with the first question, that is 3x square plus 4x plus 15. अब इसको आप ध्यान से देखिए तो इस एक्सप्रेशन में पावर ऑफ x जो है वो ऑल पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स, द पावर्स ऑल पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स, the powers of x is positive integers, and that's why we can say polynomial is in one variable. Polynomial is in one variable. This will be the answer for the question. Polynomial, basically we know poly means many, and many, if we are having only one term, here we are having 1 2 3 terms, so it comes under the category of polynomials. Okay, now if we go with the another question here, second one, that is 5. Now first what we have to do, we have to arrange it in the highest power. 5 at x raised to the power 3 by 2 plus 4x square. So 4x square plus 8x raised to the power 3 by 2 plus 5. Here 5, here x to the power 0. It is 3 by 2 means 1.5. Okay, R1 is to 1 by 2. Now see here, if we go through the observation of these polynomials, what we find that there is a power which is in terms of x to the power 2 and x to the power 3 by 2. All the powers which are not in, this is x to the power 2, exact it is. Now here it is x to the power 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means it is in fraction. Now if it is in fraction means it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. So it is clear from this कि पॉलिनोमियल में हमको क्या चाहिए. पॉलिनोमियल में हमारी पावर्स जो होंगी वो तो एक तो डिसेंडिंग आर्डर में आ रही 2 1 0. यहाँ पे देखें हम, यहाँ पे हाईएस्ट पावर 2 और हाईएस्ट पावर 1 एंड 1 by 2 है, 1.5. हियर x to the power 0. So it will be 2 1 0 or it will be 2 3 4 5 like that. So we can say it will be exact polynomial. Okay, in one variable. Okay. Now there is another third question, fourth question. If we go through it, y square minus 1 upon y square. Now here if we are taking its LCM, it is going to be y square and it will be y to the power minus 1. Now if you see here y to the power minus 1, and either we can write in other words, we can write it in a different way, y to the power minus 2. Now if we go through this, अब यहाँ पे देखने के बाद हमको क्या लिख रहा है, इसकी पावर तो पावर पॉजिटिव और इसकी पावर नेगेटिव हो. दो चीज़ें क्लियर हो गई. एक तो क्या है कि पावर नेगेटिव ना हो, दूसरा पावर इस फॉर्म में ना हो, फ्रैक्शंस के फॉर्म में, p बाई क्यू के फॉर्म में नहीं हो. सो यहाँ पे इस क्वेश्चन के लिए भी नॉट, इट इज़ नॉट ए पोलिनोमियल. Now we'll go with the next question. Here x to the under root x plus 6. This is a question here. Under root x plus 6. If we go through this, what we are getting here, under root x plus 6 क्या represent कर रहा है कि यहाँ पे इसकी पावर क्या हो रही है, x to the power 1 by 2 plus 6. Now if it is x to the power 1 by 2 plus 6, the power is in the form of p by q. Okay, now again we can have that power is in a fraction, so it is not a polynomial, not a polynomial. So polynomial में हमको पॉलिनोमियल में इन वन वेरिएबल कहा गया है, तो इन वन वेरिएबल में हम देखें तो इस टाइप से जिनकी हाईएस्ट पावर है और पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स में दे आर नॉट इन फ्रैक्शंस एंड दे आर आल्सो नॉट इन नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स। पावर्स जो है नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स नहीं है, पॉजिटिव इंटीजर जो वेरिएबल्स, देन इट विल बी वन वेरिएबल। यहाँ पे देखें इट इज़ नॉट अ पॉलिनोमियल। व्हाई इट इज़ नॉट अ पॉलिनोमियल? बिकॉज हियर व्हाट वी आर हैविंग ए पावर इन फ्रैक्शन। Okay, all the positive powers are positive integer, it is only in positive integer, but it is in p by q form. So only positive integers will define polynomial is in one variable. If you are having a one variable, okay, it is having a x to the power 1 by 2, it is having a negative integers in power, so this is not a polynomial. Now we will move towards the next question. Now if we go through the next question, write the degree of each of the following polynomials. Here it is the first question, which is 5x plus 3. सबसे पहला काम हमको क्या करना है, इनकी को हाईएस्ट पावर में अरेंज करना है। तो यहाँ पे हम देखें इफ़ वी आर अरेंजिंग दैम इन हाईएस्ट पावर में अरेंज कर रहे हैं तो हाईएस्ट पावर हमको क्लियर हो जाता है। इसकी जो हाईएस्ट पावर है that will be the power polynomial. Write the degree of each of the following. तो इसकी degree of the polynomial क्या हो गया? Degree of the polynomial will be equals to 1. Now we will go with the next one, that is 3x square plus x plus 5. इनकी power arranged है x to the power 2, x to the power 1, x to the power 0. So if we go through this and by observing the result, what we are getting? We are getting the highest degree of polynomial, it is 2. So degree of the polynomial we can write it here. हम यहाँ लिख सकते हैं it is going to be 2. Now here third question, which is having 6, there is x to the power 0. Now that x to the power 0 means इसको हम डिफाइन कर सकते हैं क्या? नहीं। इसकी पावर क्या हो गया? डिग्री ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल इज गोइंग टू बी 0. डिग्री ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल इज गोइंग टू बी 0. आई विल गो मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को देखें तो अब हमको मिल रहा है √5 x to the power 3 plus 2। यहाँ पे हाईएस्ट पावर जो है x की वो 3 है, तो डिग्री ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा? It is going to be degree of the polynomial is equal to 3. Now fifth question, 4 minus 3x square plus 5x to the power 3 plus 7x to the power 8 minus x to the power 25. Now see this whole polynomial. पहले हम इसको अरेंज करेंगे. We are going to arrange it in from the highest power, then 7x to the power 8, then it is 5x to the power 3 minus 3x square plus 4. Now if we go through this, if we observe this, what we are getting? The highest power, which is going to be 25. So degree of the polynomial is equals to 25. So this way we can define the degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial determine करने के लिए what we have to do? We have to arrange. If it is not arranged in the from the highest power to the lowest power, we have to arrange it into the highest power to lowest power like this, like this, like this. We have arranged it in highest power to the lowest power. So this way we can determine the highest power and lowest power. Okay, now we'll move to the next question, that is write the coefficient of x square in each of the following polynomial. Now here it is given to us x square plus 4x plus 3, which is given to us. Now x square, first question, x square plus 4x plus 3. Now here x square is multiplied with 1. If there is no coefficient means it is multiplied with 1, so the coefficient of x is x square is 1. Now second one. Now this is the question, 5 plus 3x प्लस 2x स्क्वायर. नॉट नेसेसरी टू अरेंज, इनको अरेंज करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है क्योंकि हमको यहाँ क्लियर दिया है कि एक्स स्क्वायर का कोएफिशिएंट क्या है. तो एक्स स्क्वायर इज मल्टीप्लाइड हियर विद 2, सो वी कैन राइट कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इज 2. विल गो विद द नेक्स्ट थर्ड. x to the power 3 माइनस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 3. अब यहाँ देखो आप, कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर, यहाँ एक्स स्क्वायर इज मल्टीप्लाइड विद माइनस 3 है, देयरफॉर इट इज माइनस 3. ओके, नाउ इन फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इट इज गिवन टू अस 2x minus 1 whole square. Now it is in the form of identity and we know that identity a minus b whole square which is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here we can write it in this form. So it is 4x square minus 4x plus 1. Now here the coefficient of x square is 4, so we can write the answer coefficient of x square is 4. So here it is, write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. We have to go in this array in this way. Okay, now there is a next question, question number 4. We'll go with that. The question is this: classify the following as a linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. So here it is, we are having x plus 2. Now if we see here, the power of x is 1, the power of x is 1, and so we can say it is a linear polynomial. It is a linear polynomial. Now we'll go with the next question, that is x square. Now if we go to observe the power, its power is 2, and when its power is 2 means it is a quadratic polynomial. So by observing the highest power we can conclude with the which type of polynomial is this. So यहाँ पे पावर जो मिल रही है वो हाईएस्ट पावर क्या है, 2 है. सो हम इसको कह सकते हैं इट इज़ अ क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल. नाउ इफ वी गो विद द थर्ड वन, दैट इज 4 into y. 4 into y. Now see here, y which is having a highest power 1, so it is a linear polynomial. It is a linear polynomial. And the fourth question, it is 3x square plus 3x. अब यहाँ देखें हम, तो हाईएस्ट पावर जो है 3x square plus 3x means x to the power 2. So it determines that quadratic polynomial. It is a quadratic polynomial. Now if we are having for an example, now if we have got a power, highest power 3, for an example if we are having some question x3 square, x to the power 3 plus 2x square plus 4 for an example. Now when we will observe the highest degree, here it is the highest degree is 3, x to the power 3, the power is 3, so we can say it is a cubic polynomial. It is a cubic polynomial. So this way we can go and we can determine the polynomials which is linear if x to the power is 1. If x to the power is 1, then it is linear. If x to the power 2 is there, then it is a quadratic one. And if x to the power 3, then it is going to be quadratic as cubic polynomial. So cubic polynomial, sorry, I have written cubic polynomial. For cubic it is this, it is a quadratic and it is a linear one. So while determining x to the power 1, It is a linear, x to the power 2, quadratic, x to the power 3, cubic. So this, in this type of exercise, we have completed with the questions which are related with the polynomials, in which what we have got one variables, we have got the degree of each of the following, degree of the polynomials, we also got the coefficient which is given to us for the x square, and the the last question which we have got the linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. So this way we can differentiate the polynomials, their degrees and variables, if it is a one variable, if it is a two-way variables. Okay, so this way we can conclude this lecture. क्या है